Hello, hello. Here I am. No, I'm not here. Crap. I forgot about myself. Oh no. Hi, Auto. Good evening. How are you? Ay, 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 ay. There we go. Now I am here. Why is the music so loud to me? Lingual Otter. Wait, what? We have a game deving otter called a lingual otter and what? What? I'm confused now. Auto. Also, hi Flavius. Good evening. How are you? Yes, you do. So I'm planning to have a counter for how many times you pooped my nose. Wait, Discord, why the frick do you suddenly open? Is it that time of the day again? Discord quits. Discord boots up. Oh. No, 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 no. Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Mistyped. No, called. I still don't understand that. I guess you mean me with the game dev author, but I'm not really game deving yet, theoretically. And I do not know who the lingual author is. Also, I did it so if you do the author, I put it on the wrong line of code. Where's author? Don't I have it in here? Am I blind? Points, fishing, no. Alerts, no. Yeah, I'm sorry. I felt coming way too late. Wait, where's my other command? Not otter, but other. Don't I have it on the new one? No, I only know Vicious Otter. But he's just a viewer in which views software. And his friend also joined. But I don't think he is also just a viewer as well. But I think their emotes were from the Otter you say. Because they were emotes, so. Also, my Twitchbot, like my new version, has been running all day without a problem. I'm actually proud of him. But I'm actually working on the so that channels can actually tell a bot to join listen, and that they could how would you say that, give missions and tell the bot what it should do. Tomatoes, what are you doing? God damn it, tomatoes! Thank you very much. And no TDS? Huh. So normally there would be TDS. And it's so broken. The old version is so freaking broken. You don't want to know. And now that is fully broken, so now I need to overlay, and now I can't get any overlay sounds again, so I need to restart the full bot again. I need... Right when I stop my
Cheer
bot.
100.
Thank you, tomatoes. Now it's broken again. Stupid overlay, really. I need to get my first, my actual bot working ASAP. In fact, actually, I think I will just, I'll remove my overlay, like the alerts for my actual overlay, my old one, fully. just keep the current playing, and the fish on the overlay, so that I don't have this bug anymore. And completely disable alerts, and I will just keep the Twitch default alerts until I get my actual overlay done, because it's just being annoying. But thank you very much for the bits and the subs, tomatoes. Well gifted. Yeah, now I'm fully thrown off my chair. Nice. Good job, tomatoes. How are you doing, tomatoes? And it's same for you, Flives and Nato. How are you guys doing? Sorry. Actually, my new one doesn't have the AI implemented yet. But I'm doing good, thank you. Ba, ba, ba. Actually, I should check how much I spend on OpenAPI. God damn it. What has my spendings been? Oh god, I don't know what email I used. This one? Um, Usage? Um, I have exactly used 4 cents. No, I didn't even use 4 cents. It's rounded up to 4 cents, but I didn't even get 4 cents. But yeah, I'm doing good, thank you, tomatoes. Well, that's funny. Top API key is tempting bots. Only 42 requests? Ah, but yeah, I still have a lot of credits to spend, so that's fine. Alright then, so what I was working on was the streamer moderations. So I already made the summary for this, which you can also already see on my Twitchbot if you click on its name, and go to its profile. What? Why can't I? Tempting bot, user tempting4/tempting bot, huh? That's weird. Good job, 7TV. There you go, Twitchbot. So you go to the about page. Wait. How am I? Yeah, right. Okay. Well, you can see that's fine. Um, actually, well, crap, I didn't think about that one. Don't look at it yet. Don't look at the page yet. Well, actually, you do, but just don't tell Max because it's part of the ARG I made for her. I didn't think about that yet. Oof, it's fine because the command is not implemented yet. So because she will have to do a command and then the command will do something, but it's not implemented yet, and only she can do it. That's right. Only she can call. She can execute the commands. I can tell you this. My bot will be able to give hints for each part of the thing. Meaning I don't have to actively tell her what happened. Auto, you're welcome for the founder badge, Auto. Thanks for the resub. Oh, you subbed to 6 months, if I recall correctly, but still, thank you. Um, there will not be an alert because the whole freaking bot is broken again. So yeah, that's annoying. I need to fix it. I didn't think of it. But anyway, so the permissions, the commands, etc., that's what I'm working on now, and I want to finish this part so that that's all in order, and then we can continue it with overlay dev. That's the plan for today. Oh, I see Auto. That's fine. Yeah, that's more than 2 months ago. month ago, I mean. But I think you did one for 6 months, no, Auto? I'm pretty sure about that one. Someone did at least, but I don't know. I don't remember who. I think it was you, but could also be Kani. Oh, it's tomatoes? Someone did. Someone was crazy enough. Oh, no, no, no. It's Sylar that did it, I think. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Yeah, it's, I agree. So what I'm using is like something I found online. And it just replaces the text, etc. But it's not good because this is just Twitch. If you go to my stream and then just do well, if I go to my actual stream, if you do like this, make sure it's muted, and then do chats, that's what I just took. This. And I just modified it so the background is transparent. But apparently this gives some weird bugs with certain alerts. That's why it's so white. Alright, enjoy the lyrics, tomatoes. Thank you, bots. Love how the bot is creating the other bot as well. But yeah, let's see. So we got the full moderation command. So we get the streamer, we'll create one. It's fine, we don't do anything with it, but it's okay. Oh yeah, right, I don't need to do this anymore. But I should check if it's null. So if null, we return like this. So that's the full moderation one. Then we have the all protection. Command. We inherit from these two. Oh, like this. Implement I chat command. Default bodies, yes. And that's false. This is false. This is false. Allow whisper is false. Wait, actually this should be true. Oh yeah, actually doesn't matter because I override it anyway. But this should be... Oh no, on rate should be true, right? I need to enable that. And this is equal to all protection. Then we do the same thing again. As this one. So for streamer is equal to get or set get or create streamer, make this async. Return if it's null, and otherwise remember everything is nullable, right? Yeah, okay. I should not have given out a primary constructor like this. But it's a record, that's the problem. So we'll have to make this a class. Because I want to be able to not say everything on null and just amend one thing. I can just make it a class though without a problem. And then just say that, oh no, because I need the default constructor as well. So that's public, pull up, get set, We do it this way. Do you want to see it with everything? Sorry, with a seat with nothing. We have a seat with everything. Let's allow. Oh, there we go. We wrap this long line. There we go. So default, we have one with everything, and then we just have one where we just set it manually. So all protection, so everything that's protection we enable. That's spam protection. Why not? Oh wait, how did I call it here? Oh, I named this differently. I think that's allow moderation that I named it actually. Yep. So let's allow moderation equal to true. There is this NLL. Don't know if I really have to put everything on NLL. I think by default they will be NLL. Or will it just be false? I have no clue. But for safety measure, I'm just putting NLL. Alright. And if we go to here again, be fine. Here, no complaints. Alright. Oh wait, sorry. This is false. This is true. Alright, so that's all. Oh, no, sorry. To allow moderation also, we want to have anti-troll protection. Anti-troll will be true. But timeout is also true. Oh, sorry, false. Oh, so true and anti-troll timeout also true. This way, there we go. This way, if they don't add false, it will be true and it will get the new permissions. So next to this, we have the spam protection. Spam protection command. I can't freaking type. Arrow papa. So that's streamer moderation commands and chat commands. And again, that's false, false, true, true. Actually, I don't think I did it for the allow whispers true. We should be able to do this in whisper as well. True, true, and true. Okay, perfect. So spam protection is spam protection. There you go. hate that it keeps on complaining about not implemented. It is implemented. And it's just always the same code anyway. Slightly different. There you go. I should have used this one. It's basically this one, but shorter. Because these ones can go away. That's test one. Then we go for the next one. That is anti-troll protection commands. There you go. Anti-troll command, perfect. And then we do the same for this one. The API is gonna help that like this. That's gonna speed up things. Jesus. Sometimes Copilot can be really nice. Especially like this when it's almost always the same stuff but slightly different. Makes it so much faster. So it's anti-troll timeout command, that's okay. Then we have the all games. Implement all missing. There we go. Okay, we need to move everything, and what we need to enable is allow dice roll. So allow dual false. Allow phishing. Instant allow is always false for now. Dice roll is false. Allow phishing in chat is false. That should be all the games. And then here, just let it generate by Copilot perfectly. See, allow dual phishing. Wait, actually, this should be stay false. That's the only one. In fact, I can just ignore it. False anyway. So that's all games. Then we have phishing game. Wait, first. Allow phishing in chat is true, false and true. There you go. Then we have the dual game. And iChat, and then here. There we go. And implement. So that's allow dual. Then we have the dice game. It's the last one actually already. Damn. Dice game commands. And again, we inherit from streamer moderator commands and iChat and tap. And this is the dice, allow dice roll. Alright, so that's all the commands done. What we now need to do is when a command is executed in a channel, we need to add which channel this execution has been done in, basically. Let me get a sip of my drink first. Also, ads will start in about 50 seconds, just so you're aware. So it advise you to get yourself a drink or just take a little break, and I'll see you in 3 minutes in when the ads start. Meanwhile, let's see if we can go to commands, service. So command listeners, which is in the listeners over here. Oops, we'll move. Listeners, client listeners, commands. So viewer service we don't need anymore. Twitch API apparently not. Viewer service no. But what we do need is streamer. Hey Yanis, good evening. Welcome in. Careful, ads will start in about 10 seconds, just so you know. Streamer API service is what we need. There we go. So on a chat command received, we should get. It's the streamer that sent this. Oh. Well, Tomatoes, thank you very much for the gifted sub again. God damn it. Well, Tomatoes, I mean, Yanis, I don't think you were having ads then. If you want, you can still click the fishes before I. Wait, does it still work? Yeah, it does. Could you get the fish before I renew the front stuff? The overlay? Wait, you clicked right on it, Tomatoes. Why did it not register it? Pretty convinced you did. It's the delay. It shouldn't matter that much, though. See, you clicked on it and it worked this time. Oh, never mind. Yeah, you click, but sometimes it doesn't get registered correctly. You're right. Well, good job. You got him. So, I need to get the. Wait, let's see. First, we check if the command can be executed. What broadcaster rate is whisper, blah blah. Command is not null. Didn't get the channel. Not user ID, but the channel name. Right, I need the channel ID, which is actually doable. Yeah, that's fine. It's a dot chat message it is. Then pro no. Oh, there is this in command. No. Oh, see, it's in chat message. But what is room ID? You need a unique identifier of room of chat room. Is that the stream? Wait, here's channel, but that's channel name. Oh, you're gonna be annoying, aren't you? Do you really not have the channel ID? You must be kidding me. Why would it not have the channel ID? Wow. Also, beautiful red color there. Yeah, you have to predict the trajectory. My Jesus Christ. Yanis, that's the whole idea of the fish. You basically have to click a couple of times to see how the delay is, and then you have to calculate your delay with the fish moving. That's also why the rainbow ones are a little bit harder because they move a little bit random, so they can suddenly slow down slightly. I mean, no, they wiggle more around, and because of that, they slow down. This is a really interesting one. How the frick am I gonna get the channel without having to do an API call every time? I can make a dictionary though in the service and store it in memory as well. But yeah, just need to make. Oh wait, I actually found a solution. Yeah, get streamer by username async. Um, channel name. That's what I'm looking for. I know I have an endpoint for on my API for this, but I didn't create anything in my service on my bot side. So I need to do the same as this. Copy this. Actually, no, I didn't get streamer username, channel name. There you go. I don't think I have anything in the controller though. I think I removed it. Username slash. Oh, can't type. I freaking can't type. User name. That's then user name again. Here too. Get by username async. There we go. Now it should be correct. Get by username async, then all this is the same. Get username async. Let me check this one first. This is not case sensitive. I need to be careful with case sensitivity. Um, Good question, Tomatoes, because I don't really watch many shows. I would say Rick and Morty then, I guess, because that's the only one that I actually really watched. But for the rest, I don't really watch anything. I just spend most of my time on Twitch. Literally. Even every evening I'm on Twitch already, so every day I'm not working, I'm on Twitch. That's also I'm just everywhere. What about you, Tomatoes? Anything tomato related? I think you can do it too low though. What are you saying? Can compare, but then Antifuel is gonna complain. Let me look it up quickly. Entity framework. Compare case insensitive contains. Right. Um, Now string contains case sensitive. Oh. If you want to compare strings in case sensitive like way, you have to use the database functions to the job. Actually, I'm gonna put this on the screen. I do sometimes watch science-related videos of tomatoes. But most often it's just Twitch anyway. Okay, what are they saying here? Convert to char index. Char case sensitive by default, unless database column collaborable. You can't do that in column collation, really? Okay, so I would just use entity framework functions call like I like big otters and I cannot lie. God damn it, that's Celine's fault. I think yeah, I just have to use like then. That's let me see. AF functions like AF functions oh like actually that's a lot of cool stuff. Random you can have a random in database, really? Cool. I should suggest some stuff. There you go. Username and username. Wait, what's tools and keyword? Because it's yeah, they're using to lower and contains. But other people use something else. I think in my case, maybe I just better use to lower for both, like this. I think that's the best I can do. But yeah, in that Twitch, 90% of the time for me. Ah, kaput. Wait, is it a bug again? Yes. So every time I open and like minimize it, if I open again in full screen, it opens on. And now it doesn't do it anymore. Wow. So basically, I just have to drag and
Hello,
drop it.
Sir Temptic404.
Hi, Sky Ninja. Good evening. How are you doing? Welcome in. Pop, pop, pa, da, pop, 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 pop. Hey, the controller. So username. It's what I did now. That's okay. So if we go check, I'm doing good. Thank you very much. How is your week just for almost weekend already? Um, comment listener. That's it. Get streamed by username async. Alright, is good enough. As long as you're surviving, I'm happy. Why did you go there? Ah, thank you. Streamer, username, channel name. There you go. That should suffice. Tomatoes. I don't know what you're gonna do. Granger, has Granger been here before? No, they haven't. And tomato salad, got it as well. Wait, why do channels that... Oh yeah, Granger has been here before. Tomato salads? Oh yeah, also once, yeah. But thank you very much, tomatoes. For all the people. Well, listen, tomatoes, how many people even have been here recently? Not that many. What do you expect? Thank you very much again, tomatoes, for the gifted subs. I already know what you're gonna do, by the way, today, so... I already know that sub goal is not gonna last for long. Don't. You're my enemy too, Yanis. Tomato disgust. Says that the tomato who is following it, so we subscribe to tomato. Not talking myself down. Although I have to say, what the frick is going on with the view counter? I don't even think that's correct for you. Of 4. There's already 3 people chatting in chat. It would surprise me if there's only 4 viewers. And I know Tomato is also here, so I think Twitch is broken. Because usually I have twice the amount, so really weird. But also, hi Anis, how are you doing? How has your week been? Is it because I took you solely in what? Indeed. What did I miss? Wait a minute. I need to I need to have an option for the channel to be passed through. But Whispers also use chat commands. And they don't have a channel. Oh yeah, I can actually solve it. Because then the channel is the one responding. Since 35 BC. He's 4 year older. I, never mind, dumb question. I wanted to ask how old you are then in that case, but I can do them off. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. I'm gonna say that's a lot of time ago, but well, 2024 plus 35. Oh, it's actually 36 because no, because you don't have year 0. It's year 1. Because technically 0 PC is year 1, right? Although it's still year 0, it's also the first year. But no, it's year 1. Of course, I'm stupid. See, I'm stupid. I told you. Just had a little bit time of thinking needed or required. So here instead of channel name, we now have to pass channel. Actually, channel should never be null because if it's not in there, there is a bigger problem going on. Actually, it's not channel, it is streamer response model. There we go. she she ditched you on a date? What did I miss? Why? Right, like this then I guess. Why can't you run? Because this is apparently still nullable? No, it's not. Shared and shared response model. Streamer response model. Did I put streamer request model by chance? No. Oh, stream and streamer. That's why. Thing is now all commands are gonna complain. Every single one of them. Which are, does it actually even tell me how many? About 40, yeah, 44 files. This is gonna be a painful stream. For me at least. His name is something you didn't exist. Well, shut up, Yanis. God damn it. Ay, ay, ay. Actually, why are you complaining? Oh, because, yeah, same thing here. But channel in this case is the one sending a message. request model, can I, if channel, oh, then channel is equal, actually I don't think I need it, but I'll do it anyway. Actually, I'll just send channel fair, like this. But what if the person for the first time goes to my bot, but it actually whispers instead of the normal command? I should still add the streamer. So in whisper, the streamer should be added, if null. Equal to streamer API service. Create new channel name. No, it's add, right? Wait, why is it doing like this? What are you doing, Copilot? Just streamer API service. Not add streamer async. And then it's a new model with the user ID. Channel name is not channel name, but actual username. And it's false on everything. And false and false. Should be it. No? Oh, one too many. We still need to await this. There we go. And then we wrap this because it's freaking long. Wait, why didn't it fully wrap though? There we go. Then we do it ourselves. Yeah, fair enough. What's this? 2 and S3. Okay, I see what's going on. That's this one. That's this one. No, that's this one. Just missing one. That's it. That's the one with the semicolon. Wait, channel name is never the same as Twitchbot. Israel in this case is actually with username, not channel name. Actually, it doesn't even matter because an execute will never pay attention to his rate when it allow whisper is enabled. So in fact, that should always be false, but it's okay. Only for debugging, I guess it should be able to work. Let's see, channel is being created over here. Then we continue. If channel is null, not null. Oh wait, I see what's going on. So this is too low. Should be like this. So now if channel is equal to 0, to null, you should cover warning. Otherwise, we continue here with this. Like this. So that's one fixed, and now everything now needs to change from just string to What's it again? Streamer response model. Actually, I'm gonna copy this. Oh, and everything is gonna have to import it as well. Oh boy. That's channel name. Same here. And it's gonna be a lot of copy pasting. No one sees this. That's fine. Implement. Channel name. It's gonna be a little bit of boring part. I'm very sorry for this. Actually, I don't know if I told you guys yet, but so as normally I would have started with my internship as actual work, but now they said I couldn't because they didn't have any work for me as more of a backend dev. They only had some front-end dev, but they give it to the guys that actually do front-end dev themselves, which are some of my colleagues in the internship. I will call them right now. Oh boy. So yeah, I'm not allowed to start there. So today I had, so that was 2 days ago that they said that. So yesterday in the evening I went on LinkedIn, put like the thing of like looking for a company. And it's like one company that I've heard of because of a job happening, I think you call it. Um, and I saw the name there, and it was also on LinkedIn, so I applied because I'm just applying everywhere. And I had an interview today, which went kind of fine, to be honest. They do require you to do some sort of not really an IQ test, but a capability test. So to see what you're capable of, how you are mentally, how you are, um, like the thinking of it. I already had one other company where I did this during my internship. Also looking for a bit of a company to work at. Actually, it was by accident, that company. They just wanted to talk, and I was like thinking it was about their next upcoming event or something. But apparently, they wanted to talk about me letting me start there because they only take graduates in their company and train them for like 2 years, and then you actually start there, which I did not like the idea of. But basically, they have the same kind of test. So crap. Why did I copy this and suddenly what? Control Z. Huh? Did my? Oh yeah, okay. I accidentally changed to Azerty. There we go. So that's this one. So yeah, I kind of know how those tests are, but still. It's streamer get or create, but I already get it from here actually. So I wonder why we sent the channel here as well. Oh, because this is my Twitchbot. Yeah, that's my Twitchbot. That's why. Um. So yeah, I will get some update about that next week because they're finishing a project now. I should really learn to. Oh no, I did this stuff. It's Control Alt Enter. No, Shift Alt Enter. Yes, that's it. It's the right of full screen mode. It's a little bit of a weird one. But thank you very much for the fingers crossed, bad tomatoes. But I kind of hate doing those tests, especially a bit with autism. It's harder to do that stuff. You need to hyper focus on that, and sometimes hyper focus doesn't appear, and then it's pain. But they do this because the stuff they're working on is really it's only .NET, by the way. It's not even front end. It's pure .NET, which is really nice, and it's challenging because it's like very complex solutions as they are actually digitalizing old stuff, especially for the government. And those projects often require a lot of thinking, and that's why they are looking for really smart, capable people, I guess. I mean, that's what they say actually. That's why they were looking for that. But the company sounds so nice because they allow you to have some break time as well. So they have like a whole gaming room where you can play games during your break. It's really nice. And they often do it also after lunch when a project is like either if you have a meeting and the meeting finished earlier or something special happens, then they also do that, which is really cool. Even a lot my internship company didn't have anything like that. Sure, they did sometimes end sooner to play some games, or like stayed longer to play some League. Basically, what they did, but I didn't play League, so I never stayed longer. But they never did anything like that, and this company does channel name, yeah, which is really nice. Channel name as well. League pack, bad, yes. Also, need to. I remember now. I need to register stuff as well. I need to do the comments for that, but I can wait. Actually, the only league I play is Rocket League. I don't play it often though. It's just fun for once. Depends on when my friends, my colleagues can play, like the old colleagues. Well, like kind of friends as well though, but they're actually from colleagues. Um, channel name as well as here. Channel name. Wait, leave. With leave, I need to be careful because then I need to disable stuff as well. I think I need to delete the stream then. If I do that. Private, read only stream. Which days would be long? I had more stuff to do. I mean, days are long now. It's summer. That's a real nice thing about summer. Right, streamer. Up. Oh, I see. One day you will be able to, and then I will also be there watching your streams. Um, it's funny that Trisha now streams as well. Actually, yeah, Trisha hasn't joined yet. No, he joins later on the evening. I'll be your first viewer. Okay, probably not. Probably someone else is gonna snipe that for me. But I'll be your first subscriber. Ha! How about that? I'll get my founder badge. Mohaha. But then you have to stream for quite a while though to get it. Although the nerds, well, no, the nerds are exceptional. Their growth is really exceptional. But they did it quickly though. I think they did in less than a month. They got affiliates. Okay, I need to check how will I disable this. Because in streamer control, I need to check if I have a to command leave, join leave, disallow rates, and allow rates. They don't have these ones in my um, streamer service yet, I think. So let's create. Update. Oh yeah, allow rate should listen. Oh, I should listen is what needs to be set to false. Should wait what? I was looking the wrong streamer service. I need to comment this. But yeah, it's quite a journey now finding work because not a lot of people, like companies, take young graduates, which is annoying. It's kind of a searching game now and hoping that I can find something. And this company is nice and all, but I also still need to be able to join, right? I need to pass those tests, and that's gonna be very challenging for me. Because I know I'm smarter than the average person, I guess. Like non-deving person, just normal, everyone person. But yeah, of course you have people that bring that down, especially the brain rot people. But you get my point. I noticed that in when I work as well at a certain job, you notice that you're smarter than the average, right? I'm gonna say I'm super smart person or anything. I'm not gonna lie about that. I don't know if I am or not. I don't care even about it. But I don't know if I'm smart enough for their tests, you know? I mean, I will find out when I do them, I guess. Five head tempting. No, I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know tomatoes. It might. The thing is, to who do I compare that? You know, the only people I live in this freaking village are dumb, because it's like one of those old styled villages. Most of the people here are also as well very old, and their children also don't really have high educations. Nowadays it's getting better, but still, I still don't really can't compare me to anyone, so I don't know. So yeah, this will help, I guess, with knowing that. But I really feel like it's gonna hurt my brain. I already know that. Allow rates, disallow rates, that's all fine. We can use those now. Also need command for this. Also, leave channel should now be moved under streamer perms command. Ah well. Update leave on rate. What kind of naming is that? Wait. Copilot really made a fancy name out of this. Update should join. And the other one is gonna be called should not join. Not join. There you go. So join, leave, disallow, allow. That's all we need. Update should not join channel, and that's gonna be the channel ID. The channel name. Twitch ID. That's Twitch ID. There you go. And we await it as well. I need to think because allow rate should be used on my end as well, so it doesn't have to be a chat, a streamer command. Actually, one person that I know that's probably, I'm not certain about it, it's probably also imposter syndrome, but I'm pretty sure TPD would be smarter than me. I think that's one person that I know is probably smarter than me. But that's because he has more experience in software development that I think that, and with smart I mean in software development. And I don't know how good he is in math or anything else. That's also true. I know I don't have that much of an imposter syndrome, mostly because where in school I already had some experience in development, so I knew I was better in development than them. And they often said that as well, like how are you so good in it? And it's like, yeah, I already have more experience already. But for the rest, I do not know. It actually start rate. I need to check. Rate start async. Do I join the channel here? No, I do not. Okay, that's good. I think I have a listener for that as well. Uh, this one. Points command. Dot username, channel name, and for the phishing, it's also channel name. Actually, really weird how so many people have that imposter syndrome in IT. Also here, channel name, um, channel name. I think everyone suffers a bit from us. They should actually not be channel equals, but instead it should be channel dot phishing in single R. First need to check if channel dot allow phishing in chats or channel allow phishing in single R. If those are false, sorry, end false. Phishing disabled in this channel. I'm not even gonna return anything. Just return. And also continue. You have to do it for any of the phishing commands. So here as well. Beta commands as well. Switch command, add set commands as well. What you do need to add is the stream response model to this one. This is channel name. Oh crap, I did it again. Shift Alt Enter. Every time I hate that functionality on Rider. I need to disable it. Oh yeah, right, patterns. New feature in .NET, and I actually like it a lot. You can now say that an object has multiple of its properties at a certain value. And you can even do more than just a value. You can also work with higher or lower or all those kind of things. Um, this can be removed. This is channel dot allow single R. There we go. And that's dot channel name. There we go. Remove the enddiv. Well, the thing is with these ones commands, it's always going to be my channel. That's always been my channel. Yeah. It doesn't matter. I am thinking, but actually no, because then everything is gonna be done in memory, which is also not good. So I guess it's better just to API calls every time. Because I'm gonna call my API every single time one sends a command. So in busy stream is gonna call API every single time. On the other end, it's just local host anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. But I think it's better than just storing it in memory, because otherwise it's a lot of memory being used. Yep, alright. Oh yeah, I can't apply. Of course I can't apply. Yeah, that looks good. So what we allowed was the um, spam protection, so that's in chats, right? So I do need to update the chats as well. Oh, it's gonna be pain. Save messages, but that's actually the chat's message listener. And I'm gonna have to do the same as the chat command one. Let's try this. Stream API service should still be called. Var streamer API service. We refactor this to this. Oh, actually, I see what's going on. But spam protection should actually be here as well. Yeah, okay, fair enough. So the channel needs to be fetched. This is if the channel dot allow moderation and all of this. Yep, makes sense. And then for channel commands, sorry, chat message commands, we also have all to do all the refactoring. There it is. So message. Wait, I don't have channel width. Oh no, that's can execute. So let's execute message. This one. The channel name should now be refactored to channel. So if it's not a RAID, then we add a viewer to my database, meaning only my gets stored. But for fishing games, oh, right, I wanted to save the call for fishing games if it's single or. But in case I don't, I mean, fair enough, I don't have to, right? So I guess I could just do the single R without the colors in the chat, which makes it simpler for me to listen at. And then instead, I would not say, sorry, I would only save the viewer if it's actually for my channel. Otherwise, the viewer, I have to break up the relationships. Whoa, that's a lot of messages by Medbot. Holy crap. But I want you enjoy the lurks tomatoes. Um, viewer. So this is only for my stream. No, because points should be stored as well. Crap. Oh, no. How can I solve this? Phishing service should be game service, perhaps. Mm, let's start with the username and ID. I could just start with the Twitch ID as well, I guess. Because then I don't have the problem anymore. But the channels. Wait, why do I have channel with allow chat and allow moderation? Didn't I add this? It's streamer. No, it's streamer, I mean. Not channel. Actually, channel is not needed. Nope, channel can be removed. So that's infrastructure. This one can also be removed. Yep. Viewer no longer has the viewer connection. It's stream. Yeah, stream. Okay, Twitch stream is my stream. Just first viewers and first viewer ID. A viewer, an ID, username, Twitch ID, last joined, etc. Okay, that's correct. Except for the points then. Those points only work for my stream. So points should also be working for other streams. So phishing stats should be revoked to game stats. And then not with a viewer ID, but with a Twitch ID instead and username. No connection with viewer. Public Twitch ID and username. And public uint points. Like this. That solves the problem. But then we'll also have to change a lot of stuff around. Yeah, we can fix that later. So the phishing starts. This can be gone. It now has builder, Twitch ID, and username, and also has points. So that's that. Phishing stats. What's this? Get by Twitch ID. Not just Twitch ID. It's like this. That's actually easier now. The viewer service is gonna be a little bit of a mess. To create a viewer, the phishing stats should be created separately. Yep. So viewer is just a new viewer, I guess. Hey Trisha! Good evening, how are you doing? Mohahaha. Ah, so raar to do it. I love it. Alright, my old bot did it. The old bot was faster. Because they both should have done it. No? Oh. Oh no, not with the timeout. I take my hug back. I'm sorry, Trish. That's just too funny. I had to do it. Yeah, actually gonna drink. Give me a sec. My huggies, no! My huggies. Sadge. What have I done? Actually reminds me of. Where's Panda? I forgot to send her that I'm live because she'd asked me to always send her. Small hugsies, thank you, Trisha. What's going on with the database? Huh? Okay, anyways. So, actually, for the refactoring didn't. Huh. Why did it take more? Oh yeah, but viewer points should not be existing anymore. These are gone now. Yep, exactly. So points does not exist anymore, but we also need to get the it's not streamer, but it's not fishing anymore, but it's game stats. There you go, game stats. Then fishing service is also games service. And over here the viewer, wait no, var games is equal to await. Oh, context didn't get updated yet probably. Game stats, user fishes now. Game stats. Game stat but get by Twitch ID, which is correct. Then we can do the points for no total messages, but points. Plus plus. Are you complaining? Possible null. Oh. Everything about Twitch managed. I I'm almost correct. It's 1 minute, not 2 minutes. Thank you for the hydrate, by the way, Flavius. Also, Tricia, how are you doing? Oh, Tricia, I just realized with the room you actually meant to do your motorcycle. I actually missed that. Oh my god. Bad streamer. Okay, the points are now correct. Now games can be null. Although they should not be able to, because if games is null, there's a problem. Then the viewer should be created. Is the clicky fish broken again? Ugh. Then I guess I'm a clicky fish. Not returnal, but to create a new one. Sorry. Context. Wait, no, so games is equal to new game stats, Twitch ID, username, async. And if you check game stats for a second, the Twitch ID username, the points is 0, page will be none, money will be nothing, yeah, everything is fine. Nothing else that should be set. So we created, we had points, so it gets 1 point. And there's the break. It warned me, and I still forgot. How? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so this one is good now, I think. No. Update points is not longer part of viewer service, but it's now part of the games service. And this is not viewer, but game stats. Nope. Game stats. A catfish. I do realize I have to reset the database soon because of the new changes. Because there's going to be way too much changes for the database to handle. It's definitely not going to be able to comprehend it. Because all the relationships have just changed. Why are you stuck? Thank you. Fishing, don't fishing. All that should be fine. No, what are you complaining about? Points. Okay, same problem. Oh yeah, clicking also gives you points, huh? Oh, game stats. Points plus one, y plus equal one, just y not plus plus. There you go. This can be gone. Models in viewer is an error apparently. Why? Viewer response model is still has points. Should not be happening anymore. Points not used anyway, so it's fine. Spot moving your mouse, I want to click it. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't work again. I can refresh, I guess. No, I just started bot. Okay, fair. Wait, Animarain? Why is it adding Animarain? Kani. Right, that's Kani's stream. It's also still listening to Kani. Crap. Didn't push the change through yet. Oh, Marius. It's listening to both streams. Okay, so it's not Kani. It's Marius. Yeah, it's Marius. Yeah. I think the database is actually correct again. No, the controller, right. I thought so. Pa, 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 da, pa, pa, da, pa. So points is no longer part of this one, but actually part of the fishing controller, which should be renamed as well. That's also game service. We don't have a game service that get points. Card async, update points, use bait, add clicks. And I don't. There you go, get points. It knows. Um, Alright, it should be nullable. Alright, it was a get viewer and not found anyway. Try, catch. Return OK. Otherwise, if it's viewer not found exception, we return the 4-4. Return not found, there you go. Return bad request, whatever. I have to return something. Oh wait, I can actually do catch without exception and should do anything right? No? Oh, because I don't return the OK. That's why. I was already thinking. Alright, in the puts. Also, how is your week been, Tricia and Flavius? Also, Flavius, can you try clicking again? It should work normally. Yeah, it works again. Okay, perfect. Wait, where's my chat actually? Oh, it just refreshed by accident, I think. It's not viewer service, but it's game service. Game service, update points async. There we go. And the fishing controller should now be recalled to, renamed to games controller. Also means that the service over here, the API service, which is in services, then API services, there you go. The iFishing API service should now be called. Oh, I have to sneeze again. Yeah, I'm sorry. Should now be called Game API Service. Games API Service. Thank you, tomatoes. Really need to sneeze a lot lately. I don't know why. Everything that phishing is now, wait, how do you call it? Games control, right? Yeah. Wait. Not here, no. Can I? Because it's in Lederholt, etc., but not in this one. How can I choose? It is? Hmm. So I want to do it for only these ones, but that's when it's easy. Copy, paste, paste. There we go down to this way. And in viewer API service, you also need to be changing stuff. Follow, alert, viewer, username, Twitch ID, message, points. This is the one. No, it's gets still. Point is not in here anymore. That's now in Games API. Others is the same, so that's fine. Wait, why is this not an await an async task? Wait, we don't need the result anymore. There you go. Okay, that's the one from before that can stay. Then over here, the points commands need to be changed. So that's now not viewer service, but um, games API service. There you go. Oh, we need to wait this. Make this async. Why do we return this? But we do await, so there you go. That fixes this. And then for wait, that's all the API done. That's should be good. All right. Will be a fun migration though. I don't think it's gonna work. Right, it doesn't know about channel yet. Streamer response model. And then all the received messages are gonna complain. It's only a couple of them, it's fine. Well, there we go. This one, channel. Okay, so in this case, if the channel has recall warning, wait, recall, I should call this troll warning. Okay, so it has a recall. What's if it's a recall filter, recall warning? Because Good points. I actually don't know. Well, let me check. Streamer, well, that's it. Anti-troll and anti-troll timeout. But over here it's not. Anti-troll. That's anti-troll timeout. There you go. It's better. So if anti-troll timeout, so if not, return. Otherwise, we check when it contains YouTube. And in this one, it's channel timeout. If it's tested and it's troll timeout, then this channel is the name. Here's well channel name. And same case here. And channel name. There we go. Flavio, is the clicking still not working? It should now, right? Just to be sure. So that's the troll. Then we go to KW, but there it doesn't matter. Moderate message. That one does matter. And no longer channel equals, but now it's channel dot moderate. And the viewer is mod or VP return. Otherwise, we time them out. Sorry, we ban them. And the channel name. There you go. But it doesn't matter. Auto message doesn't matter. Wait, that's other. Oh, that's the other I was looking for. If new random next 0 to 10 is smaller, is greater than 1. It's greater than 0, right? Because then it's 10% chance. Everything is greater than 1. Stupid. Oh no, greater than 0, right? So only 0 counts. It's from 0 to 9, which is 10 numbers. And in channel dot channel name. Alright, if come on, I forgot. Oh yeah, if channel dot channel name equals Twitchbot dot channel name, ignore case. If it's not, so if it's not my channel, it returns true, and if it's true, it ignores the random return. Otherwise, it replaces other with other at random intervals. Cool. And then the auto message. So the auto message, right? That's just squeaky noises. And then the weird cheese. Oh right, das queso Cassini. Wait, X too nerdy to jam. Wait, no, wait, that. Isn't that different, the writing of the jam? No, X nerds to jam. Oh, because it's too nerdy and because you can't do that probably on objects or something. That's why they do it. Oh yeah, the bot does it. There we go. Surely it happened on my channel as well. Oh, can be rates. It can be some rate is false anyway. It's fine. All right, that's everything fixed. Let me check. So we got some protection, anti-troll protection, the fishing game, and do's and dial. Sorry, dual and dice are not implemented yet, so we don't need to worry about those. So now it's gonna be fun updating database without a problem. I'm kind of afraid that's not gonna work. That's definitely gonna crash. I'm first of all gonna stop the bot fully. There you go. Then cd to the API. There we do .NET Entity Framework, migrations, games. Let's see. Done. And now comes the biggest problem. .NET. Oh, .NET Entity Framework, database update. I'm kind of almost certain this is not going to work at all because of the changes. It's too much for the database to handle. Huh? Oh, there you go. Is other constraint, could not drop constraints. I just realized phishing stats ID. Oh, because it's renamed to, yeah, it's not gonna work. We'll have to drop the database for this. How can I best drop the fully database? Can I do it this way? Probably not. I can. Yeah, delete. We have to. Goodbye database. Why? It cannot be dropped. Yay! God damn it. Is it definitely not dropped? Oh, it is dropped. Okay, it's fine. Okay. I think I'll just have to fully clean my migrations as well. Yeah, well, that's why you work on a temporary database. Output there, which is in infrastructure slash migrations. So it's gonna put it on the same place as I had it before. There you go. I messed up. I made a typo. It's migrations, infrastructure slash migrations. There you go. There we go. Now we have it. And if you do database updates, huh? No, because I deleted it. I didn't drop it. You did drop it, but then it generated it again, huh? Okay, if I refresh, it's gone. If I do this, it's not gone anymore. I'm gonna clean up the object that exists. Oh, now it works. Oh, wow. It's there now? Yes. There we go. I forgot to add one thing. Fishing stats is bound to your channel now. A channel. Game stats, sorry. I forgot to add this. But I can make a new migration for that. Broadcaster ID. There you go. So when creating game stats, we now need the broadcaster ID as well. So for create add alert codfish create viewer model. Also need to make a create games model, which is abstract class. So which is a record. We don't need color anymore. We do need bring broadcaster ID and no color. There we go. Why are you complaining? No, create games model like this. Alright. We need to change the fishing game then. And points as well, actually, and just viewer in general. Right. Let's see. The listener. Oh, it's API. The client listeners in the message. We need to create a game for the channel if it does not exist. Although you go to chat messages, to commands, then Fishing. Check. Ground game dev. Facts. No, I don't think. Okay. Yeah, points, except for poison. I first need to see if the person even exists before I do that. And the endpoint also now includes a channel name, a channel ID. Wait, what's bait? Oh, that's a bait comment. Okay, never mind. It's for the buy that I need this. First of all, this can go in a in pattern. Get free by Twitch ID async. No. It's gonna be get fewer games. That's game. This is gone. It should be gamer service. Game API service. This game API service. Effective name. The games service. If null, we create a new one. Which is user ID and then channel dot channel ID. String channel ID. This first channel ID, then that's like this. Sorry. Copy this, paste this as well. There you go. And now everything needs channel ID as well. Tup, tup. And lastly here, where I forgot to do it. There you go. Okay, now every part where the command is used is gonna complain, and the API should still be changed. Games controller. So we need to do all of this as well. Like this. And then we add the string channel ID like this. Top. Move this one. Okay, that's gonna make it easier. Chip chip. And lastly, this one. Oh, yeah, come on. There you go. Let me get a sip. Wait, why is this one complaining? It's complaining everywhere? Oh, because it needs two brackets. Like this. Come on. Yeah, okay. A heart rate, why? Wasn't there a way to select all of them? Oh yeah, here we go. And then refactor, no? Yeah, never mind. That doesn't work like that. Ba-ba-ba-da. Big city life. As we click there, Rayun, good evening to you. Pooping my nose. Got red-handed. Wait, why is there a dollar sign every now? Oh, because I did the one single. Ah, yeah. Still no poop as fix. No, one day. Does it all bits too? Is it because I copied there? See, it was all one. Interesting. But you just put the dollar sign there. Once my good overlays ready, Rayun, then it will be squeaky noises when you poop it. Oh, nice color. Ba, 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 ba. Ah, and all of these are. Damn it. God overlay, yes, indeed, the God overlay. Once that one is done, I copy it instead of paste. So once that one is done, then I will be able to do the squeaky noise because I will try to implement the other inside of it. So when I speak it, it tries to like basically. Oh crap! I'm not copying it correctly. How hard can it freaking be to copy paste something? God damn it, Nico. Um. So basically, I would implement the talking in my overlay itself, and then I can have the position of my other, and then if you poop its nose. Oh, that's why it's doing it. I need to remove the dollar signs first. If you do that, then I'll make the squeaky noises, etc. And I'll also have a count of how many times you click me, or how many times you boot my nose. So I have plans for this. I just want to get my bot working first. I also don't know how I'm gonna do it with the noises because people just constantly keep on clicking on me. Uh, how will I handle that? Will I just put a timeout on this? But then please like wait that I only squeak once every while as an otter. 1 in 100. 1 in 100 is a lot actually. Or how Beaks has it. Like if you throw melons, one in them so many, you have like you have so much chance for it to make his head spin. And you could just do the same with the fish clicking, the otter clicking. So just a chance based instead of just one in every 100 messages gets it. It's actually chance based. That would be nice, I think, or better. Hi, TV Tim. Good evening. How are you doing? I'm working on my Twitchbot at the moment. I'm actually refactoring my old one, which you are currently seeing. But is it even? It froze again. Great. Good overlay. God damn it. So the old one, the one you're seeing now, my overlay, is trash. Needs to be refactored. So that's what I'm doing now. Um, but I'm gonna have to reboot the bots because it's not acting up like it should. Oh wow, it can even reboot. Good job. Ah, but I'm working on. Sorry, I'm using .NET full. The old overlay used HTML. Ah crap! I reset the chats. The old overlay used HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript, and that's what you're now seeing the overlay. But it's not as good anymore. So I'm actually making one in Godot using Godot engine. That's also in C sharp, no Godot, like the language Godot. So what I now have is my API in ASP.NET. My Twitchbot is just C sharp code as a worker. Well, these are just two libraries for me to use, so it's easier to program. Because the shared is also used in my Godot, by the way. Really useful. And so I have my API in ASP.NET. I have single R for live updates between my Twitchbots and my how do you call it? My Godot overlay. Where you can see the. I don't know how to do that, Rayun. I choose Godot because everyone is using it nowadays. I feel like Unity is too heavy for this, and um, Unity. Sorry, I'm saying Unity twice. Unreal is with either Blueprint or C++, but I'm not familiar with any of those. I'm only familiar with C Sharp and just full stack development, basically. That's CSS, JavaScript, HTML, TypeScript, all that kind of stuff. So that's why I basically chose for Godot. Blame Rayun, blame Kanidev. And well, I don't know how to do pass-through windows with Godot where you can click. If that makes sense. Yes, I'm using my game engine now for my UI. The reason is sometimes if I, for example, type something, I should have typed literally something. Wait, are you not doing it? Did I? This freaking old overlay is annoying me. Normally there would be a fish spawning when you join the chat for the first time. Oh wait, I exempted myself. But I don't know if you saw or not, but there were fishes on the screen normally. Oh wait, you know what? Screw it. Here, have some fishes. There you go. So the fishes spawning on the screen, um, the ones that are moving, like this one is getting updated every 1 millisecond in HTML JavaScript. That's DOM manipulation every 1 millisecond. That for every fish there is that is moving. That's not good. It's really not good. So that's why I'm actually choosing to use a game engine instead. Why did it not allow the word thief? So that's why. Especially for the rainbow one, because it's moving at random. There you go. But you get points for that, for example. Yep. My bot is for multiple things. So what my bot is at the moment, an interactive overlay Twitch game. Actually, three of them because I have also War Temptation and Numbers 4 game. And then the fishing clicking. I also have the exclamation mark fish commands, which is one of the games. What else do I have with my overlay? It displays the current song I'm playing on Spotify. It shows alerts, notifications, but that's broken. I changed something. I'm not going to change it again because I'm removing this version. I missed the wall pride fish. It's a ray fish, but sure, pride fish, why not? Um, then I also have in the new version then a moderation tool. Oh yeah, you also have those. You have like sounds that activate when you use certain words or terms. Especially the ew. I really love the new ew. Brother, I really love this one. And my Spotify also gets matched. Like it was paused and now it's resumed again. That's for alerts and for sun alerts, which is really handy. I have my very custom rate animation, but yeah, we don't usually get rated, and then I can show it with the commands because I disabled them. I shouldn't have not done that. I got one, Rayun. And lastly, the moderation tool. So that's a new one that I'm working now on the new version. And it will allow streamers to moderate their chat with my bots and also have some games. So the fishing game with exclamation mark can be done via the new bot. In the stream, you have the anti-troll, so that's optional where you can have the gnomes and troll and rickroll videos, they will get timed out or just a warning in chat if you want to that you can choose. And I also have the anti-bot spam protection, so the cheap viewers. Um, Also the Twitch Camu, which is also famous one nowadays that follows everyone. And I'm trying to implement even more features on request of streamers. For example, the Rickroll and the Gnome one was requested by Siler Atomic, also a really nice streamer. He asked me especially to make one because he got Rickrolled, he didn't like it that much. Some people do, so it's like every option on the bot, it's optional. You can choose if you enable or disable it. It's opt-in basically, and everyone will be able to use it. That's the idea. And if it's getting used too much, I will probably ask a little bit for it, like 50 cents or whatever for a month. Or I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe just €5 a year, and that's it. But then I also have to host a website, which will also be quite an implementation to. God damn it! And I saying I'm probably not gonna be raided today, right? You motherfucker! Good evening, Marius. What's the freaking timing? Uh, like 5 minutes ago, I said, well, I never get raided, so I'm not gonna be able to show you the raid alerts. That's. Well, thank you in. Welcome, raiders. Also, every raider in the chat will also spawn a fish twice, basically. But. Uh, Hi, Banzai. Hi, Anima. Hi, Josh. Good evening, all. How are you all doing? It doesn't start Spotify, apparently. There you go. The alert will stay on there because it's broken. Meaning all the follow alerts, etc. will also not work. But I do see them in the list, so thank you, Josh, for the follow. It's kaput, sadly. The overlay has acted well, but there's an end. If you want to click the fishes, by the way, that is Flavius trying to predict, you can do so by clicking right on my screen and enable the heat extension. And then we can see where you click. You don't have to do that, but if you want to get points for the fishes, you can do that. Yeah, don't worry about it, Josh. Josh, you just haven't joined my stream yet. That's fine. Overlay refresh. And the game also refresh in case one redeems it. There we go. And what I'm working at right now is the functionality of having the fishing games separate of the streams. So how it works now, if you do exclamation mark fish in examples of Mario's stream, it will also give you the points on my stream and vice versa. So there's only 1 point system. And now I'm refactoring it so it's per stream. So every streamer which uses my bot has their own. Damn it. Brother, what's that? So every streamer now has its own point system per channel. And fully, so the money as well as points. But I still need to. I'm almost done with the refactoring actually. But yeah, that's still what I need to do. And I need to add the channel ID here. There you go. He already knows. And I think that's my robot explained then. Right before the raiders joined, and then I can explain it again. But how is everyone doing? How is your day or evening, depending on where you are from? No worries, Tim. I think I can call you Tim, right? Or whatever you prefer. Phishing message. What's wrong with this one? I see nothing wrong. Fish message is username, color, message, huh? Oh, right, I see why. The color is not a thing anymore, except for my own stream. But allow fishing is only used in my stream, so. I can just keep it on white, I guess, for now. I'm just going to call it white. and it's just username. All right. Let's see. Game is service. What do I miss in this one? Use bait, Twitch ID, bait type, channel name. Channel ID, I think. Start fishing async channel. I think I just send in them more fishes. You can redeem it, Marius. If you redeem, click the fishes for 202 points. You can get more fishes. Yeah, it's a channel redeem. If one is so, how it works is if one person joins the channel for the first time, sorry, if someone sends a message for the first time this stream, or if there is a follow, or if there is a subscription, or if there's a raid, then it's per raider, or if there's bits, that's per 100 bits, but that doesn't work yet. Then you get a fish on the screen, and you can click them if it wants to. Don't tell me it broke again, right? Oh no, it works again. So if you want to click them, you need to enable the heat extension, by the way, which is on top of the right, sorry, the top. No, not the top. It's on the right side of your screen. It's the purple one with the orange flame in. They need to give it permission and authorize. This way I know that it's you clicking this and I can give you the points which belong to you. Or you can just let them go around. It means to work perfectly. What Rayun? What bug do you have then? I know why my bugs sorry, what my bugs are, and I actually know how to fix them. Kind of. I no, I don't know how to fix them yet because I didn't think about it, but I know what's broken about it. Know exactly where it's wrong. For the overlay at least. But it's a hassle to fix, and I kind of know how to fix it. I don't feel looked into it, but I'm not gonna fix it for now. The game turns out the game has no bugs at all. Are you sure about that, Rayun? Are there really no single bugs in the game? No bugs? It knows I'm looking. It knows what you're doing, Rayun. But yeah, for the yellow and the rainbow fishes, I know it's a little bit harder to click them, and that's the point. I know there's the delay, but the game is you can click as much as you want. You can see where you click, you can see what the delay is, and then with that you can predict where it's gonna be. And that's the game I want to create. I want you to predict with your own delay, and it makes it more fair. Because well, it depends. Because if it's only one fish, then the one with lowest delay will be able to click it fast, of course. But if there's a lot of fishes on the screen, you have a high chance of just getting it. The start stream a bit will crash 5 minutes time. Rayun, what time do you stream perhaps? Because I will probably be able to join. And thank you, Anima. I spent quite some time on it and I like it. And uh, it was I'm thinking two things at the same time, and that's not what I should do. But I'm gonna implement it into Godot soon. That's one of the newest things I'm gonna do next. Probably not this the following stream. The stream after is probably the stream where I will be implementing this game into um Godot. Because the overlay already exists in Godot, by the way. 13:30, 14:30 your time, which is indeed one less of you because you're from the UK, right? Or Portugal, but I think it's UK. Or are you from the Balkans? Then it's 1 hour later than me. If you're Latvia, okay, yeah, Balkan, and it's then it's 1 hour earlier indeed, 12:30. At 1:30. Never mind. You wrote it for me time in Baltics, right? Baltics, not Balkan. Shh. Wait, why is this one still like this? No, 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 no. This needs to be changed. I overlooked this one. So channel. Fishing in single R. There you go. Else, like this. It's fine. Well, still, I need to say it correctly. For me, something needs to be correct, you know. For me, at least, like when I say stuff. Although I know I sometimes lie about things by accident. But it's not lying if it's an accident, but so for the fish, I instead need to know the channel name now. So I need to pass that through, and I need to pass through channel ID as well. ID, like this. And channel ID we pass through to the fishing, so it's string channel ID. The reason why is so we can put it into the database accordingly, like this. And then we can store the fishes correctly on no catch also. Because what this is doing, by the way, is my fishing game. The one you do with exclamation mark fish, like this. But then the one from the new version. But as you can see, the points also get saved to the database. Now this one is a broken one, as you can see. This is my old game, broken. Don't trust old game. It's also not stored, by the way. It's just in memory. Wait, 9 unique cloners, huh? Like people that clone to your repo, you mean? That's nice. Unless you don't want it to, but I assume you do then. Um, why are you? Oh, because it's also not in here yet. The tower defense game. Oh, I see. No, mind. Yeah, it makes sense. My head didn't follow at first. No, you mean your game for people to play it. You know. You mean my words are being difficult today. Don't mind me about that. Well, just not any other day actually. That's a string. Got a space. And then here we add the channel ID. Is everything now done? Page, get inventory. I will also need a channel ID for this. Yeah, it makes sense. But for now, you can indeed use GitHub for that. Especially if it's open source. Open source. So we need to use the channel Twitch ID for this. I'm just gonna copy this. Up. And then here. Actually, if you're curious, I actually don't usually share this one, but I'm gonna do it anyway now. HEO and Solid Adventure. That's it. I actually once made a game. You don't per se have to play it. You can also just watch the video if you want. Or it doesn't really matter for me. It's actually a game I made for school. Um, which I got 20 up 20 as mark, which is nice. So I got full points basically, and was also rated best game. Um, does this link still work? Nope. Okay. But yeah, that's a game I once made 2 years ago for school. I'm really proud of that project. It's just a normal platformer, but I also implemented a store, etc. And it has 5 levels, I think, a boss battle, and three other enemies. It also has a shop system, which I said. It has a timing system as well, so stats, so you know how well you performed. And I really like this game, so. But I know it's a little bit broken with certain aspect ratios, so I don't really tell you to play the game and more just watch a video if you're really interested into the game. And also, it's a very, 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 very difficult game, apparently. I'm the only person that completed this game. I know one more person did, but he did need a lot of attempts. And again, this was just a project for school, so I'm not really working on it anymore or gonna do anything with it. Although if I really, really, really have some more time about it, I might. And thanks for the follow, Anima. Yeah, the overlay alert is not working anymore, sadly. So the fish will also not spawn for that. But you can do no fishes again, by the way. Marius, if you have the channel points for it. Yum, 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 indeed. More fish. There you go. Though do mind that single R sometimes does act up and doesn't work, but it does seem to work now. I also need a sound alert for the fishes when they spawn, like the when the channel redeem is used. Because I know there's a lot of lurkers here who do like to play this game of the clicking, but are not active chatters or not active viewers, just listening to my voice. Because I know the few people actually just are here for my voice, which is really nice of them. Um, so it would be nice to have some sound alerts letting them know that the fishes have started spawning on the screen. Ba, 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 da, da, da. Does it still work? Can't click them? Ah, it's so broken and ads are also starting. God darn it. Madness. Well, I'm sorry for the ads. Yeah, heat extension is annoying. We vocal cords, but I'm too far away, huh? I do. I don't know if you can hear me by the way or not, Marius. Look at all those fishes on my screen. Oh, you don't have ads? Okay. Oh, oh, it doesn't tell me you have turbo. Oh, yeah, I see. Perfectly innocent chat message. Oh boy, Rayun. I I don't. I'm too innocent, I guess. It says I can't even say it correctly. Where is it? Tempt pick. Yes, tempt pick. Thank you very much, Marius. Add or update, whatever. There you go. Should be fixed. So the problem with the clicks is now they can toothpick. God damn it, Ryan. I need to click them manually now because you guys can't. Tup, pup, 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 tup, 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 tup. I'm going to install Unreal? Never. Probably. This quadruple game. I'm never gonna use static stealing of fish. Uh, I need to restart the bots again for that. I'm actually gonna do that. The new system will be so much better. Holy moly. Game. Wow, that was quick. My channel points. But you can click them again now. I'm gonna feed my family. Ah, boy. Heathens. Um, so what you were saying was, install Unreal Engine and go absolutely ham on creating a new quadruple game. Never. I kind of have a game in the queue. but I'm first working on overlay for that and the bot system before I'm actually working on the game again. But that's definitely not gonna be. Thanks for the pooping, by the way. But definitely not gonna be an expensive like a game where I would get money. Just pop the queue. I see you clicking as well, Tricia. Also, if you want your color, you just have to send one message and then it works again. Because it takes it from the chat message, but if you didn't send anything since the bot restarted, it will not show your dots in the correct color. Because I can't just fetch your color, I need to get a message from you. Cube up and game is made. Imagine if it was only that easy. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. What was I working on? Ba-ba-da. Right, I still need to make an update on my database. Migration games with channel up channel ID. Which with instead of with channel ID. There you go. And then we update. I didn't know Zimtic was so boopable. Everyone does it, Anima. Everyone does it. Trust me. So much that I'm actually gonna make this a feature one day. Pop a ball. But I don't know what sound to play when one clicks me. Also, my eyes will always close when you click on me. Because I'm just gonna use the same stuff I have right now, which is this tool, by the way. Oh, squish the other. Oh boy, I broke it. Crap. You're kidding me, right? Wait, I can't do this. Okay. So this is what I use. Um, squish the other. And I'm gonna implement it into Godot myself. Squeak toy from Pixabay. And my instances. But I know they can be loud, so I need to be careful. We also have this sound though. Oh, I can't type squeak. I still can't type squeak. Like this sounds. Bring back big order. But that's specific. Do you want to know why it's magenta? Because of this. This Dawn airplane is green. I cannot use a green background because yes, it's green. Hi Panda, good evening. How are you doing? Also, did you know you can change my overlay color? As Panda just proven. There's actually a lot that you can do with my overlay. You can also time out the Trisha, by the way. Give me aeroplane. I can give you timeout to Trish. Someone will redeem it. I'll let the fate over to chat. If you have 404 points, you can just time out to Trisha. Also, how are you doing, Panda? There we go. Panda did it. Wait, really? I didn't know that, Rayun. You can because he's a moderator. I didn't complain. Also, my bot is an AI. There's an AI behind it. There's some new fishes. Click all the fishes. Yes, but the mod times are actually good point. Wait, did he time out? Did he actually get timed out? No, right? No, he didn't get timed out. Wait, actually, why? Why did he not get timed out then? Because very fun fact, the old version of my Twitchbot the one that's currently running, runs on my account. So times out people on my account. While the new version is made so it actually times out on the Twitchbot's account. I actually have two instances running, one for my own stream and one for, well, not instances, but I have two access tokens, one for my own stream, one for the bot itself. Because for my stream, I also need to be able to raid out, for example, to get the channel points redeem, etc. Then I have a timer to remote them. Oh, I see. No, but for me, apparently it doesn't work. Did I protect it? Am I smart enough to protect it, or is it just pure luck? I want to know. I want answers. I want to make food, but fish. Exactly. Fish too important. I'm glad you like the fishing game. Moderator. Mod. Time out or ban. He's gonna be here probably. Time out. He does not find the usages. Nice. 5 usages. Message received. No. Channel points. You know what's funny? It didn't work because you added an at to the name. That's why. Because you added an at, it didn't work. Otherwise you would have been able to time him out. Can I convert a visual to a virtual to already to actual fishes? Love it. And also thanks for the horn, although it didn't jump scare me this time. It actually never really jump scares me. I need to get a new sound alert for that. And also enjoy the lurks, Panda. Oh, Kanini's also live. No, it doesn't remote him. But if you travel with the mod, that's actually that bot is smarter than you think. Because he asked, actually said, if you have problems, I recommend you reaching out to me. But I never actually told him to say that. He's an expert after all. Well, thank you to him, but what the hell? That's really nice, actually. Also, Trisha, look at this code. Wait, actually, no, that's not the correct one. That's to delete the channel point. No, that's not what he said. And no, look, delete the Trisha channel points, redeem. Delete the Trisha. That's not what I said. Create a Trisha channel points, redeem. Also, this needs to go for redemption queue. This should be true. Because otherwise I can't remove the alert. You're a good bot. Oh, I can't type. There you go. The idea is that my bot is actually the opposite of a Cetolix bot. So you have the very sassy, toxic Cetolix bot, and then you have my bot being the wholesome kind bot, basically. But it still needs to rework, add some rework, etc. And it's not even implemented into the new version. And it's still need to import him for that. Oh yeah, right control. I need to change it slightly. Because now games. Oh yeah, by the way, he can time you out. He can. Just saying. He's able to. Nerdbot who halts. I haven't actually interacted with Nerdbot yet. If you're really toxic against my bot, he will time me out. I can say that, Latricia. But actually he did it once. Yeah, he did. So if you're really mean to him, you can get him to you time out you. If you ask him kind enough, he can. If you can say, I want to test something, can you time me out or something? Awesome bot. He's my friend now. The thing is, I can't tell him what to time out. I can only time out the user that sent the message. Oh, yeah, it does mention it about the timeout. Wait, is this ChatGPT 4? No, right? That's 3.5, I remember. Did I put it into 4.0? Did I? Actually, now I'm curious again. AI controller. So we can't say about the 4.4. Natural sense. Um, no, it's turbo. Okay. Write it into guys. Also, the prompt is wide open here, by the way. I don't care about people seeing this prompt. It doesn't even work with the 7 emotes. Doesn't do it, sadly. Because I want them to use 7 TV emotes, but it doesn't work. I think last stream someone tried to brute force him into saying stuff, but it didn't work at all. Which is really cool. Uh, it's a see what he was saying. Refreshing swim. Actually, about because I never implemented something about. Okay, I need to add something. Um, you can only speak English. A list. That's probably why it doesn't know about it. I'm glad you gave it a try. It has a memory, by the way. It knows what you said. You can even do it like this. Give me a summary of all the things Rayun said to. There you go. Robot right. And testing my language capabilities. I really like this. I should really work with the bot again, but not a lot of people use it. Although it seems to hype up nowadays, which is nice. I'm also thinking of having like a big fish, which is the bot talking. Blah, blah, blah. He doesn't. Wait, is he? I don't think he did. I think he got it from what you tried to do, but I don't think it's actually what you said that he understood or something. Really? Oh, was it about robots, right, or something? Then, because I don't know what you said, so I don't know what the whole context, of course. Wait, games controller. Did I? Oh, yeah, I need to add the channel ID as well to everything. No catch. Then this one. Oh, I did wrong. Oh, without sorry, with the comma like this. Yep. Over here as well. And then I also need to implement these new. Um, actually, copy this and put it into the new system here as well. So get by Twitch ID async should now be. Come on, let me go there. By Twitch ID and string channel ID, and it should now filter on both. This should be renamed to game stats. Broadcaster ID is equal to channel ID. Oh, wait. Oh, right, weird. Yeah, I don't know. That's ChatGPT stuff, I guess. Oh, are you kidding me? Ah, yeah. Good evening, digital alias. Welcome in. How are you doing? Oh my god. What is the time today? I usually never get raids, so there was a guy today and I was explaining what my bot does, and I was explaining that I have a raid alert, but it never activates because people never raid in. What do I get? I get 2 raids. And bonsoir to you, Cobus. And hello, okay, name's gonna be difficult. 50v 11 o'clock or something. 11 o'clock. Damn, reading difficult. The raid alert sound is my morning alarm. I mean, fair enough. Um, yeah, the overlay is kind of broken, so the alert is just staying there. But welcome in. How are you all doing? Hope you have the good. Well, if it depends if it's a morning, had a good sleep. Otherwise, had a good day. Quiz at the moment, no. Um, because the corner is not really a corner. It's just a predefined corner which is not pixel perfect. Alright, no worries. Enjoy the evening, Aliad. Iliad. Logic. I can also just say digital, I guess. Digital. But thank you. You can click on the fish, by the way, with the heat extension which is on the right of the screen. If it didn't break, you can, because heat extension annoying. No, you can click. Um, but I leave the alert on there because otherwise I have to refresh the bots and then you don't see it again. Also, thanks for the raid, Iliad. I kind of almost forgot to say that. Oops, sorry. But yes, so you can click on the fishes to get points. Um, the points are not stored in the database yet. They will be soon with my new version, but this is the old version of the bot. Um, but you can do so with enabling the heat extension on the right of the screen and give it permission to your channel, so I know who that clicks, who clicks on the fish if you want to. And then I can give you the points accordingly. That only works with desktop, by the way. It doesn't work on mobile. Although Twitch is gonna make a change where it might be actually possible for the developer of Heat to do it for mobile as well. So I'm looking forward for that. But it's also an hassle to work with. So I'll reset the overlay because it's annoying with the alerts on the right. But all this for you guys. There you go. So you can click the fishes still. I hope he is. I think he wanted to make a mobile version, so I hope that he is. Also, fish's direction is also not facing correctly yet. But yeah, it's gonna be revoked to Godot anyway. Get by Twitch ID and now requires wait, that's viewer. Why is it then giving this one? Interesting. Um, Twitch ID and then channel ID. We add the channel ID here as well. Game stats, this one. Twitch ID, channel ID. That's the correct one. Why is the weight not working? Oh, because I did string. There we go. Channel ID, string, channel ID. Wait, why did the fish go away immediately? Or did I? Oh no, it's just gone. Never mind. I'm stupid. But don't forget to click the fishes, otherwise you will not be able to see a lot. Because I still haven't made anything to make them respawn. The channel ID, we add string channel ID. String channel ID. Nope. Yes, well, we do this here too. Oh, I would just not be in time to finish it, I think. String. Actually, I'm close though to finishing this feature. Because I think this is actually the last thing I should do. LD and here as well. LD string channel ID. Actually was thinking of implementing my own heat extension, but probably not easy to do with well, like you need to host it, etc., which is the problem. I know how to host stuff, that's not my problem, but actually I'll clean up the fishes. Oh, Ryan is also clicking. Then we'll let you click, Ryan. First. Well, hi, Dagger. You definitely first, yes. Definitely. Oh, because of the claim first. Yeah, no, it's broken. Okay, I think oh no, here application, what's this? 15, 20 seconds delay? Rayun, you should refresh your stream. There should be only 7 seconds delay at max. Because if you're with Opera, for example, you have a 7-second stream delay. But if you're on anything else, it should be actually be kind of fine. Because where the rainbow is here and the rainbow is already here, for example. But 7 is normally the maximum you should have, otherwise you have either very terrible connection, which would surprise me. Wait, what's this? Oh, I need to channel this channel ID for this as well. No, because send message is always in my channel. Mostly in heat, really? That's weird. You should send a message and at the same time click and see how long it takes for the chat message to update. First hit the click. And then you know. So I need to get my stream ID for a second. Ooh, I have it in Twitchbot. Yep, Twitchbot has it as hard coded. It's this one. There you go. Okay, this is the test. And the click. Did it click? I didn't look actually. Oh yeah, it clicked at the same time. I saw it on the stream delay. It just feels like 20 seconds, I guess. Yeah, you can indeed. If you go to so if you do this one, then advanced, then video stats, you can see the latency. This one. For me it's 8 seconds. Because Opera GX does not support low latency. But Chrome does, which isn't weird. Did I have all my errors fixed? Yes. You know what time it is? It's reading out time. Let's see, Kani or Practical, JD, Tyndall has quite a lot of views as well. And Braco, 7. It feels so much longer. Wait, what? How does 7 feels longer? Oh no, you have 7 and you think it feels longer. No, that's normal delay. That's what I have as well. Or I don't come. Well, I guess we don't come then. Let's see, what's digital? So what's IRED up to? Okay, what's Kani up to? Oh, digital is gonna about the rate, isn't he? IRED. Why do you keep on saying digital? Ah, screw it. We're gonna go to Kani. I'm not there anyway. um, does my old bot be able to do this? Yeah, it is. It also removes my channel pointer theme, that's why. But yeah, thanks all very much for being here. Thanks for the double rate actually as well. I don't know if Marius is still here. I think he was making food. And that's also last. Oh, yes, last gives you the last tongue plate. If one letter S. Oof. Rayun. Pain. That's painful. I feel your pain. But yeah, thanks everyone for the follows, for the subscriptions, for the raid. I'll actually quickly do exclamation mark Discord. I can't freaking type. If you want, you can join my Discord. I often share videos about authors or progress on my Twitchbot. The mood is not very active, but it can be active if you want to. I'm always there to chat. And otherwise, I would like to see you in the Kani stream. Like they said, same on the glance. I understand Trevor, I often have that as well. But just not seeing that last the letter. But yeah, see you guys. Enjoy the evening or day. Bye bye.
So that's the reason why that's the thing that I'm currently doing to revamp that thingy that it's working again. Dandy! Hello and welcome! Thanks for the wait. How are you? How is street? How's everything? Hope you had a better week than me. Hello, Dino! Yo, why you? Welcome back. Welcome back.